check, check.
Sige po. Ayun, sige. Tapos, pwede na po. Alright. Ready na kuya?
Okay, ready.
Alright, Darren, first of all, you guys are going to Dubai.
Yes.
Magpapasayo kayo ng mga Pinoy doon. So, kwento nyo naman kami ano mangyayari sa Dubai.
Well, syempre, meron po tayong Dubai Barrio Fest happening this Feb 23 sa Zabil Park. And I'm very excited po kasi kasama ko si Ate Morissette, si JM tsaka si Fiang. Syempre, we have yung mga rising stars of Star Magic as well. So, excited na ako kasi makakabanding ko rin sila sa Ate Mori. Ilang beses ko na nakasama sa ibang events. And I'm excited for JM and Fiang as well kasi alam ko yung feeling na first time out of the country, tapos first major show. So,
and how does it feel to, you know, be with our kapamilyas, OFW kapamilyas there in Dubai?
I'm very excited po to see all of our kapamilyas there sa Dubai po. Siyempre, Barrio Fiesta, iba yung energy tsaka yung crowd eh. So, I'm looking forward to that. Tsaka sana po ay wala silang trabaho sa araw na yun or wala silang ibang gagawin at samahan nila kami sa Zabil po.
One last, gaano lang ka-importante for you as an artist na pumunta sa Dubai to see our kapamilyas there?
For me, it's important na maka-reconnect din po sa mga kapamilyas abroad kasi syempre, hindi naman po lahat sila nakaka-uwi sa Pilipinas all the time. So, us being able to go there to make them feel a bit at home is something that's also very important to me para naman medyo may reconnection po sila.
Alright. Darren, meron ko ba mga music na ilalabas this year? Are we looking forward to that? Or are you still gonna do showtime lang talaga muna for this year?
Well, hopefully po may ma-release po kaming album this year ng Star Music. So I'm very, I'm looking forward to that.
You're working on that right now? Or ano ba? Meron na ba kayong pinaghahandaan about it? Or?
Parang 2 songs na lang kailangan i-record. So
okay.
Sana po soon.
Alright. Thank you so much, Darren. One photo lang for the article. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thank you, ingat ka.
Pa-selfie na lang po. Ay, dito no. Ay, ingat po yung sa diba? Selfie ka lang dito. Bilis na! Ayaw niya. Kaya lang pa ako kami sa bawal pa kami. Hindi kaya. Di! Di pa sa tibro. Thank you.
Bye, Di!
Di, bye-bye!
Enjoy UAE! Sama kami sa lodge.
Hindi na akong passport.
Outgoing passenger, Ferrada Sakina. Outgoing passenger, Ferrada Sakina. And will check your passport at 5 minutes late departure.
Ate Yani ba?